Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix corrupted fonts on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. So your view by to large icons. And then you want to go down and select fonts. So go ahead and left click on that. And now that we're on this page here, you want to go and select font settings. Where it says restore default font settings, go ahead and left click on that. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully I was able to resolve your corrupt fonts. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.